FNPF has always been looking forward to CSR activities, and this has been one of our key activities that we do almost every year. But due to COVID, we didn't do it for the last 2 years. And because we live around this area, it's very important that we keep this area clean and tidy. So we have about 150 of our staff who has participated together with our partners. So our partners are IUCN, who is doing the waste audit. We also have Suva City Council, we have FCCC, and Suva Paddlers Association as well, who has partnered in this initiative. And we are not only covering this area, but we are one of the team is also based in the Suva Foreshore. So we are covering these two areas so we can keep the environment clean and Suva beautiful as well. Yeah, we have plans to cover other areas as well. I think today we have also one team based in Lemhi as well. So we are looking at this as a more frequent event and continue to show our initiative to clean our environment and give back to the community that we live with. So yeah, we'll be having more events of such kind. Yeah, so we have IUCN collaborating with Recyclers Fiji to do the waste audit and as well as take the waste with them to clean the environment. Yeah, I would encourage other organizations and all the citizens who walk around Suva City to join in and participate to clean up the environment that we are in. It's very important, and it helps us to beautify the city as well. So we welcome any other organizations who wants to come and join us in this campaign. Thank you.